All right, here's the next example. Meaning I have to simplify -2, radical 343. Step number one has always been the same. Write the prime factorization. 343, 2 does not go into it. 3 does not go into 343. 5 does not go into 343, but 7 does. 7 goes into 34 4 times. Uh, I need to do it over here. 7 goes into 3 and 34 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. 34 minus 28 is 6. Bring down the 3. 7 goes into 63 9 times. Okay. So 7 goes into 343 9 times. That is not a prime number, so you have to break it down again. 2 doesn't go into 49, 3 doesn't go into 49, 5 doesn't go into 49, but 7 does. 7 goes into 49 7 times, and 7 goes into 7 one time. So if you ever wanted to check, if you were to, be unsure, if you were to hit 7 times 7 times 7, and to verify, you do get 343. All right. So that's step number one. Step number two, to determine the index. The index is 2. Remember, there's nothing here, so that means there's an index of 2. Step number 3, if the index is 2, circle groups of 2. So I have a -2 here. I have 3 7s. All right. And those go inside the box. I'm going to group this. Oops. And make it smaller so it's out of my way. All right, now it says to look for groups of 2 in step number 4. Here's one group of 7. My computer has just froze up on me. All right, where we were before, we're looking for groups of 7s. There's one group of 7 here, and that's going to go on the outside. Just like it tells you in step number 4, the number or variables from each circle group will show up outside the radical symbol one time. Anything left uncircled will remain under the radical. There's a 7 under the radical that remains uncircled, so that stays in there. And then step number 6 says multiply the numbers and the variables outside the radical together. 7 times -2 is -14. So we are thinking that -2 square root of 343 is equivalent to or equal to -14 square root of 7. So real quickly, -2 343 is -37, and if -14 square root of 7 is -37 as well, it is correct. So we know that that is a correct answer right here. So that's the answer we're going to put down.